Observability, a professional network marketer international, and also co-founder of Achievers Alliance organization in Alliance to Montreal.
AIM Global. AIM Global is a top element company in the choice of action to success, biggest, boldest, and brightest. Nigerian Global Package. Our Nigerian Global Package is worth 70,000 Naira, and we have Associate Global Package worth 38,000 Naira. This is our Global Package of 70,000 Naira, and this is our Associate Global Package 38,000 Naira. The value of money you invest in AIM Global is you have a product, number 2 you have a business key, number 3 you have an ATM, number 4 you have a daily and wages, you monitor your rate income, and you have a paid trading in our branches in AIM Global Nigeria, and you have a business global package, unified marketing plan, AIM World and AIM Global, and so forth. How to earn in AIM Global? First is retailing. You enjoy the 25 to 30% profit sharing, profit retailing. Amazing, right? And second is direct sponsoring. Every person invited to your group, you will earn 5,000 Naira per global package and your distributor. Example, this is you. You invited a friend B, you invited a friend E, you will earn every person 5,000 Naira. Wow, amazing. And the third is match sales bonus. A match sales bonus. If you have a friend on the right side, you have a friend on the left side, detect in a computer that you have 2 people, you will earn 9,600 Naira. And this is your gross income, week, day, week, month. Wow. Our binary points is 1,400 points. And this is our following earning, how to earn. First is match sales bonus. Match sales bonus, if you have people in the left side, this is called trainee, you will earn 5,000 Naira as direct referral. If you have people in the right side, train B, you will earn 5,000 Naira. 5,000 Naira as direct referral bonus. And aside of that, you will earn 9,600 Naira as match sales bonus. The total of earning is 19,600. Just 2 people. And a friend A the group is will be, and the friend B, the group is will be, you will experience 9,600 Naira, 9,600 Naira. So the total of 38,800 Naira. If the group will big also, so you will enjoy the every match 9,600 Naira. Wow. Our step earning is 4,000 Naira every sold out package. And our distributor 16 match, every distributor 16 match per day. 8 match sales per cycle, 2 cycles per day. We have a travel incentives points. Every 5 match sales, you have a travel. Wow, amazing. Our 6 ways to earn is first is retailing. Second is direct referral bonus. Third is match sales bonus. Fourth is universal sales bonus. And 5 is overriding commission. And 6 is royalty commission. Every people is allowed to buy multiple accounts, like 3 accounts package and 7 accounts global package. Boost your earnings